I've got a great weeknight recipe for you. This is Crockpot Greek chicken, and I use chicken thighs just to mix it up a little bit. Chicken thighs, these are boneless, skinless, and I did salt and pepper on both sides, and then you're going to brown them in your skillet with a little bit of olive oil. Just get some nice color on both sides before you put it into the crock pot. You can also use chicken breasts if you want. And then, so I've got about 8 thighs there that I'm going to put into in a single layer into that crock pot. And there's a little bit, you could use cooking spray in the crock pot. And then from there, I'm going to be adding in the veggies. So these are Kalamata olives, some red onion, and a jar of roasted red peppers. And you want to drain the peppers, dice them up. You're going to drain the olives, make sure they're pitted olives, leave those whole, and then just take like a medium-sized, red onion and dice it up about 1-inch chunks will work. And then you're going to nestle that all around the chicken. So instead of just putting it on top, kind of put it all around the sides and in between your chicken thighs or your chicken breasts. And then from there, you're going to mix up this marinade. So the marinade is simply going to be lots of garlic, fresh garlic. You've got red wine vinegar, you've got some honey, and then dried oregano and thyme. Mix that up and pour it over. Now, hopefully you'll do a little better job than I did. Whoops, see that all dumped out on one side. So you want to pour that over evenly. So here I am. I'm going to use my hands and I'm going to sprinkle that garlic around. So it happens. All right, so sprinkle that around. You're going to put the lid on, and then you can do this on high or low. So if it's going to be on low, you're going to go 4 to 5 hours. If it's high, maybe 2 hours. And then I served it with some brown rice that I prepared. And then you just, look at this. It looks so yummy. Ladle that out, get the chicken, whatever veggies you want, and the juice, and put that right over the rice. And then also, I forgot to show you that I did sprinkle on feta cheese when I went to serve this. And the feta cheese, the crumbled feta cheese, was an awesome addition. You could also do some fresh herbs if you like. That would be fun too, if you have any fresh basil or parsley or thyme.